The first squad members that we are picking up to show them the project are Lev and Jensen. So they're at
Our crushes.
So they are at
Our crushes.
Sophie, I'm trying to talk. So they are at Starbucks right now. So I might as well go get it.
I think he likes
So
Starbucks.
I think. This is the biggest pool.
Oh my god.
It's an infinity pool. No, never mind.
It is. Like, you can watch the sunset from your pool.
Hey, look, there is more grass. How is that an infinity pool? I thought infinity went on forever, never, never,
No,
never,
Frank.
never, 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 into infinity.
I don't know, Frank. That's the name.
Okay.
Do you like the view?
I see better. Maybe if there was a couple ladies standing over there.
Oh, maybe, Frank. Hey, guys.
This is right here.
Wait.
I'm gonna give it to a different relationship. This video's gonna be rated R. There's not enough of this.
Maybe we could
Wake up in town. I'm dumping all my girlfriends, and this is my one and only. I'm not gonna Frank, take out. If you just want to go ahead and slide into my DM, don't watch it. It's just I like the whip sauce. It's funny. I'm gonna piece of this.
Okay.
Oh my god.